lot of people don't realize this, but the pooter is actually something that I designed and came up with, and I've been selling for 12 years, ever since I first signed up for a YouTube channel about 12 years ago. And so if you want one and you want to fart like Jack, you can get a pooter at thepooter.com. I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much, those of you who have been here for a long time, and all my new fans and subscribers. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notifications bell so that you know when I upload new stuff, and I'll see you next time.